All right, folks, what is up? Check out the Suburban. Yeah. All right, so today we're gonna do something with the Blazer. I need to put some, when we first bought it, it came with like these little rubber pieces that I'm pretty sure go around the window. What's up, dogs? What's up, buddy? So anyways, we're gonna check that out. And then I'm gonna crawl in the back seat and see about my window, because I need to put a new rubber piece in here because this window does not have a rubber seal around it, and it rattles. It's really obnoxious. And then I need to see where that tire's leaking one of these days. But same thing, I need to put a seal around this window here, and I believe that it came with those. So we're going to put those, well, see if they fit, and then see if I can get them on. I'm pretty sure I can get them on, but the question is, are they gonna fit? I don't know why they didn't put them on, but we're gonna check it out, so stay tuned. I don't know if I gotta rip out some of this old stuff, but that's what we're gonna figure out. So yeah. All right, so I found these, so I'm pretty sure, I don't know if these go on the outside like this, but I think that might fit in there like this. So I'm gonna have to probably take that out, but I think those go in there somewhere like that. And then I've got this piece, which I don't know if you're just supposed to custom cut this. And then I've also got this piece here that was in here. I think this is similar to this piece here. But it says, yeah, GM truck channel installation instructions. All right, folks, we're not gonna do that today. You know why? Because I don't want to take the door panels off today, but I'm gonna have to take off the whole door panel, and then I'm gonna have to bring that all the way down here, and you know, that's not what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna just kind of overlook this here Blazer for just a minute and see if there's anything else that we can kind of do. I need to at one point secure this liner a little bit better in here, but I think is what we'll do is I need to check this wire and see if there is a brake line wire or fuse somewhere in here that we can check, because the brake lights do not work, turn signals do not work. So we're gonna check a couple fuses, maybe see if we can't get that working so we can drive it. I mean we're driving it, but you know what I mean, legally. So I'm not very good at filming stuff when I'm working on it, I guess, because I just start working on shit, and I can, I take that back, I can, because I've got how-to videos and stuff, but I went through this real quick, and we found up here, there's a fuse box on these old machines here. Well, lo and behold, my turn signal was not working. So I got the fuse. Uh-oh. I think something's wrong here. That's not supposed to be on. Now, they're only coming on when the key's on. But that ain't right. That's not supposed to happen. Something's up. And now we got new problems. But let's see. No, they turn on. They are turning on when I turn my key on. Pretty sure they never did that before. But my blinkers are working. Yeah. So I got my blinkers working. Now we need to figure out what this is. But my blinkers were basically just a fuse. I think now we're gonna reach up underneath there, get a light in there, and see what the heck we're working with as far as why the reverse lights are working. Now the mechanic, a little while ago, there was a switch for safety neutral switch. I'm wondering if he cut that and wired in that for some reason. But those have never been on before. Alright, so we're gonna turn on my lights here. We're gonna turn the keys on. I'm pretty sure something happened here. It's not supposed to happen. I don't know when it happened because I was driving it the other day at night, and I'm pretty sure that was not doing that. So it doesn't make a difference. It's not making a difference if I turn my brights on or if I turn them off. So those are really bright regardless. So this is weird. Well, now I'm gonna jump on the internet and see what the heck is going on. Okay, so I found out some information. The internet's really good sometimes to figure out this information. So, get you some bucked up while you wait. Bucked up. You can order it off of the link below. I got a bucked up link. Go down and check it out. I just ordered me some testosterone booster and some supplement called Buck Naked. Basically, help me possibly burn a little bit more fat during my workouts. We're gonna give it a try, see if it works. But I learned some information, and apparently, Sear Blazer, the reason why all of a sudden those are turning on is because I replaced the switch or the fuse for the turn signal lights. And the fuse is basically for the backup lights as well. So it's kind of weird that it's got the turn signal lights and the backup lights, but I'm thinking it's in my steering column or somewhere back here in my steering column. Granted, you know, turn signals and then the reverse switch. So there's obviously something not right on my reverse switch because the turn signals are working fine. So I'm gonna dig into that. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna learn. And if I can't learn, I'll maybe send it to the mechanic. Because I gotta take it back anyways because my axles, we just redid all the bearings, everything in this rear axle. But I believe the actual axle is bent. This side's not so bad. That side's worse. You can definitely feel it. Also, these shocks, they still suck. So I think I might get some of this bounce down the road from these shocks. You see that? That's like not even like connected still. So I gotta remember to keep ordering some shocks. I just haven't because I don't drive it enough, but now that it's street legal, I'm gonna be driving it. Hey, check it out. We're back. Today, the same video. It's a new day. We learned a few things about the Blazer. We're gonna go pull it into the garage here, and we're going to check out the brake / safety neutral switch. So that, I think, is the cause of why my rear backup lights are coming on. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's 100% reason why. So we're going to pull this bad boy into the garage. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, peep the square bodies. I got one over here, and I got two back there. We got the crew cab. Man, I can't wait for this summer. Oh, I got the light, or the rear view mirror back on. Well, that's not the rear view, just the side mirror. But I got it back on. It wasn't on before. Man, this color is just sweet. It's all dirty though. All right, folks, check this out. So we found the problem. So my switch right there, that goes, there should be a little white thing right there. That's basically your neutral safety switch and your backup light switch, reverse light. But anyways, my mechanic here bypassed it, but he connected the backup light wires, which basically ran them full time. So when I turned my key on, my backup lights were coming on. And now, yes, they are no longer coming on. I guess the question is since they're not hooked up, obviously they're not gonna work. But the switch is no longer there. Therefore, I don't need those wires. So it is what it is. Later on, if I wanna add those into the mix again, that's fine. But also, if not, one of those wires, I just gotta hook positive up to one of those wires and hook it up to a switch, and then later on I can actually just have a switch. I don't need them though. The main reason why I want them actually is because they've got these cool lights here in the bumper, and yeah, I think they're kind of cool as far as, you know, shining light. So I might actually get those hooked up and just hook up my reverse lights to a separate switch, an auxiliary switch, so that when I'm out wheeling at night or something, I can just click those on, and then yeah, who knows, maybe I'll add some rock lights like I did to the Suburban and stuff. So anyways, the only other thing I need to do is I need to possibly run to the store real quick and grab a brake light switch. So that's the next thing on my list of stuff I need to do. So actually, I'm gonna go do that. I'm not doing anything. I might as well run to the store real quick. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go grab a switch, come back, see if that helps. All right, so we got the part. Well, let's see if it fits. So this here, actually, they told me this was for a manual with or without the cruise control. I don't remember. Anyways, it said it was for a manual. Mine's an automatic, but I don't know the difference. They didn't have an automatic as an option with cruise control. At least, yeah. So we're gonna take the old one off, and then we're gonna compare the two and see if we can get it to work. So stay tuned. I'm not gonna really show you because I can't really film inside there. Trying to get this. Let me grab a flashlight here real quick. But I can't really film in here very good and try to get this stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can. Yeah, let's see here. Let me see. There right there's the brake switch. There's the old one I just took off. There's the new one. They look pretty similar. So I believe that should work. So we're gonna throw that on. See if that solves our brake light issue problem. Success. All right, check this out. Watch on the garage door. Ooh, see that? Oh yeah, I now have brake lights. I got brake lights. I got turn signals. I don't have a backup light, reverse light. So if there's any officers watching, you know, shh, keep it on the down low. Anyways, super simple fix. Yeah, that's actually pretty easy. So I fixed my brake lights. I fixed the turn signal lights. And yeah, I guess now I'm gonna run to the post office because I got some forms there that I gotta mail out to some folks. 1099 type of stuff, because we had a good winter last year and we paid out a lot of money. So anyways, yeah, I don't know, I'd call that a successful couple days working on the Blazer. Not that we did much, but now I do need, I hate to buy a new set of tires, but like this thing, that's no good. I need a new set. So I'm gonna go talk to my buddy Steve, see if there's a way we can maybe get those warranted somehow. Get a new tire. Even just one, but it's losing air. I don't know where it's losing air. Might be that, but anyways, stay tuned for some more Blazer content. And remember, go down, check out the Amazon links, check out the Bucked Up links, check out the LED light bulbs from Auxito. Go get you some of those. And yeah, as always, thank you for the support. And I can't wait to get out and start driving this thing around. Yeah. Have a good day. Smile every morning. Every morning when you get out of bed. That's actually something I haven't done for a little while. I always say it because I know that it's like helpful, but I'm gonna make more of a conscious effort to do that myself. As far as I did it for a while, and now that I'm telling you guys to do it, I'm realizing myself that like I haven't over the last, I don't know, probably month. This whole 2024. What the heck? I'm gonna get on it. So, anyways, have a good day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back